Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure the camera is ready and the feature is enabled. First, power the GoPro and confirm firmware is up to date. Outdated firmware often blocks voice features. Next, open Preferences, find Voice Control, and switch it on. Make sure language is set to English or another supported option because commands depend on that setting. Also clear any housing or mounts that cover the microphone. Once done, position the camera so your voice reaches the mic directly and you're ready to speak commands. Once voice control is active, use the wake word followed by a concise command. Say GoPro, start recording, or GoPro, take photo, and wait for the confirmation beep, LED flash, or verbal acknowledgement. Speak naturally and keep the distance to roughly 1 to 3 feet. This balances clarity without shouting. For advanced options, append qualifiers like resolution or mode, video 4K 60, or time-lapse 0. 5s. If the command fails, repeat once clearly. The system is optimized to finish, confirm the action visually or via the app. Look for the LED blink, hear the beep, and check a quick preview to ensure the clip or photo saved. When you're done, issue GoPro, stop recording, and then power off or turn voice control off in Preferences to avoid accidental triggers. If the camera doesn't respond, reboot it first. Make sure language matches your commands, update firmware, and remove any housing or mounts that muffle the microphone. This fixes most recognition issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.